Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Let's try this. I got um got an idea here then. Do a little bash command. $, and then let's do present working directory. Let's put that in. Good only. Usage? Oh, wait a second. I think there's not supposed to be brackets. Try this. Fail to authenticate. Connection refused. Dot well known. Dot acting challenge. Certificate authority failed to challenge. Failed to download temporary challenge files. Ensure that the content from the provided web root and the file is created can be downloaded from the internet. The certificate authority failed to download the temporary challenge files created by Certify. So that's a listed domain serve their content from the provided web path. And the files created there can be downloaded from the internet. So I was trying to go here. Let me actually see something. Did it create a folder in here? It did. I see what's going on. It tried to access, but it's actually here. Oh dang, I can't actually have the static being in the beginning. Okay. In that case, I should be fine. I gotta... Dang it, that means I gotta update the code. Okay, I was not I did not mean to get rabbit holed into web development, but here we are. Let's see if we can get some stuff in. Huh. I did make this change. That's weird. I wonder what it's going on in. What's the last commit that I have? Removing unnecessary locking now? Git log. Okay, these changes are not. Mem persona. Don't remember what these changes were for. This was a long time ago. I just put in a try catch block. Okay. I'm gonna comment that out. Wanna git restore and then synthesize text to speech. Guess I commented out right there inside the ask. Okay, that makes sense. Not supported over the website just yet, but the web server stuff is interesting. Okay, let me do an npm run soy dev. I gotta check something, and also that should run the back end of the server for the website. Do I have a static folder in here somewhere? I do. And it has a well-known challenge stuff. Okay. Save files? Okay. I need to do... It's on... localhost 8082. Okay, cool. If I go to static, there is stuff in here. Okay, I do see the test.txt file. That's not quite what I want. Because it's expecting a very specific directory. App.use. Why is there two? What the hell? Whoops, didn't mean to. Okay. Where's the rest server? In the Okay, she's hanging out there. Yeah, the server. Checking it out on what's actually in the cloud at the moment. There is two stuff like this in the cloud. Okay. I'm going to track files. Okay, let's see. This is in the rest server static path. Here in an express server. I shouldn't be using two serve index. Oh, this is something else.
Well, Tom, reports of missing persons have been pouring in from across the nation, leaving authorities scrambling for answers. The leading theory from specialists right now is that these were not abductions. Rather, these people ceased to exist on the spot. As you can see, CCTV footage captured in the county shows a man vanishing into thin air after a series of bizarre movements. Online sleuths are likening it to a phenomenon from video games where players can glitch their way out of bounds. Investigators are looking into all possibilities, even no-clipping out of reality.
Challenge path.
So far, reports have discovered that the disappearances happen most frequently in so-called liminal spaces, referring to transitional or purely functional man-made areas of buildings where the boundaries of reality seem to blur. So far, school corridors, abandoned office buildings, and quiet subway stations have seen the most vanishing incidents.
Egg path. Can't I just host the route as a... let me think about that.
Experts believe that the unique properties of these overlooked locations may hold the key to understanding the phenomenon, acting as gateways that disrupt the fabric of reality.
It's all different. Hey X-Men Liz, how's it going?
Mind is, could this really be a glitch in reality? Or is there something more sinister at play? Our
I'm gonna revert everything back. See how it was initially. Okay, so just that and just that. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Then I'm just trying to. Oh yeah, sure. Right now I'm just trying to get the web server back up and running, but I got to basically renew the SSL certificates, which is a pain in the ass. Huge pain in the ass. It's not hard, it's just the steps to do it are not clear. Not clear. I was trying that for a second. I want to see what that does. Didn't do anything. No change. Okay, that didn't do anything. I'm just going to follow what ChatGPT is telling me to do, so maybe that'll fix things up fast enough. Let's see. I think I could just do that. What was it beforehand? Just like that? Yeah, okay. Okay. Challenge path? Well-known Acme challenge. Okay. That makes sense. That makes enough sense. Ensure that static sure that static directory exists. I guess the top part ensures this that it already exists, so I don't need that. Okay. In that case, let me see. Well-known. Well-known Acme challenge. I need to. Okay. How do I? Maybe I should serve the index. For generating the text in my decompiler, would you prefer creating some data that tells exactly how it would be generated, instead of trying to do a lot of logic on how the text should be generated on top of actually doing it? Let me think. Would you prefer creating some data that tells a text exactly how it should be generated, instead of trying to do a lot of logic on how the text should be generated on top of actually doing it? Like, what kind of data are we talking about? Creating some data. Creating some data. So you're trying to like separate some logic from other logic? Missing something here? Expected. Oh. Okay. No, there's nothing in here. Well, no. Should see like a file in here. This thing. Well known. I guess not. It's supposed to, I guess it has to be like dot well known. If I do it this way, there needs to be a well-known folder in the root of my project. How can I serve it from the static folder in my static subfolder in my project? That is it possible? I feel like it should be possible. Yeah, essentially because right now I just can't do it, go through every instruction and make text from it because it has to go through several transformations and it might be a bit messy to do this logic on top of making the text, but I don't know. An abstract syntax tree first. I would need... I wonder if there's a way you can represent what you're doing visually, like with a diagram or a flowchart. Search abstract syntax tree. The sound's gone? Did the sound go somewhere? X-Men lives, you there? The video's behind? No. Like my video cam? My mouth is not moving when I speak. Dang it. That's annoying. Hold up. Moves a bit later. Okay. That means that the Elgato thing I'm using is on like using the Wi-Fi connection, maybe? Is it using... It might be using the Wi-Fi. Hold up. I gotta fix something real quick. Let me see. See if I can see what's going on. It says it's using USB. Hello. Okay. I think I fixed it. Let me see. Oh, damn. Okay, it's on USB. Dang it, it keeps doing something. Oh, it's pressing the buttons on the side. I'm dumb. Okay. It's gotta be like that. I think that's better. Try about that. How about that? Is that better? That's gotta be better. I think I fixed it. I just restarted the app. All right. And let me get back to you real sec. Before I start going down a third rabbit hole, I gotta fix... I'm close. I'm close to figuring out how to renew my SSL certificate. So I gotta like... Let me see if I can get this real quick. Because I'll be happy once it's set up and I don't have to worry about it for another year. You can send from unknown after running web root. But the route is hosted on well-known. You know what? I'm not gonna try to figure out the weird configuration for this to work. I'm just going to, let's see. I think I'm just going to delete it. Delete this. And I'm just gonna ship it like this. This just requires that serve index, challenge path, join dot well known dot. Okay, I think I'm already doing that. Okay, that looks good. Okay, cool. In that case, let's just ship it. Adding Acme challenge. Add renewing SSL certificates by fixing the route to serve the certification challenge. Okay. All right. I'm gonna push that, and then I'm gonna go to my backend over here, and then publish that. PM2 restart. Now I just got to make sure. Okay, now I got to run that command to generate the certificates. Does not exist. Oh crap. Static. Okay. Rerun this command. Authentication failed. No. What happened? LSA, and I don't see. Present working directory. It should have created files, but it didn't. What happened? Let me see. Did it go into here? Well known. Yeah, I didn't create any files where I specified. Maybe I should just type the whole path in. Sorry, I'm doing stuff over here just because it's kind of sketch to doing my SSL certificate renewal thing for my website. It's a little sketch. Oh crap. Okay, let's do home X simul shift backend, and then oh wait, I'm in the envoy folder. Oh, that's why. Oh my gosh, I'm clowning up. I'm clowning it hard right now. Let me see. Let me go to static folder. Okay. I wonder why this isn't working. Oh! Present working directory, and then... Actually, my present working directory should be the right directory. Let's try again. No, the request message was malformed. What does that mean? Dang, I'm sorry, X-Men. Maybe we can put this on hold for a second. Let me look up abstract syntax tree. Abstract syntax tree. An abstract syntax tree is a tree representation of the abstract syntactic structure. Parsing. The parsing begins with the source code being parsed by a parser, which checks for syntactic correctness. AST is a fundamental concept in the field of compiling and programming language tools. Wow. Draw me a diagram representing an AST. I didn't know it can create images. Oh shit, I didn't know ChatGPT can make images now. Oh dang.
This is...
Whoa, I got a pop-up. Diagram above represents... What in the world? This is just order of operations. Shown really complicatedly. I thought if a compiler used it, maybe my decompiler could also try ask it if that's a good idea or not. Is it a good idea for a decompiler to also use an AST like a compiler does? I never thought about it this way, but because when I did like stuff that like parses out language, I just use like a stack. And then I had like a precedence score on the symbols, the tokens or whatever. And then I just put like all the tokens on a stack or something. I basically had like the program, the stack do all the logic for me. I don't know if that makes any sense. That's a good idea for decompiling the snapshot syntax tree, much like a compiler does. Decompiles and compiles both deal with translation between different levels of code representation, albeit in opposite directions. Here's why using an abstract syntax is beneficial for a decompiler. Structure and readability, semantic analysis, optimization and transformation, language agnosticism. Damn, dude. I need to learn more about compilers. I was gonna read this book on compilers in Go, which sounds interesting. How to make a compiler in Golang. I need to get to that book. It seems like a really cool book and a really cool way to get better at Golang. Let me see. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The compiler book Golang. The compiler book. Compilerbook.com. This is the one. I bought this book a while ago. I think I bought the e-bundle. Writing an interpreter in Go, and then there's another one for writing a compiler in Go. Writing a compiler in Go. Seems pretty popular. Perhaps. I don't know. You probably you know more about the compiler than I do at the moment. I have no idea, brother. Brother. All right, where was I? I need to figure out this SSL stuff. One problem I ran into in decompiling is when I need to make variables. So I need a better solution for that. Huh. Make variables. I see. Do you have to like make your own variable names? On the... Just name them var 1, 2, 3, 4. Var 1, 5, 6, 8. I don't know. How about simul's 1, 2, 3, 4? There we going. Oh damn, is that what happened? No, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna run this command by hand. Let me see. Home. Primal shift. Backend. Static. Still failed. Come on. Let me see if I can access it from the browser. Well-known ACME challenge. Not found. There should be like a folder in here. Maybe I should make the folder. Wish I could do one mapping with the variables in the scripting language, but I don't think that's doable. Because I was thinking of edge cases like that if the same variables in the language was assigned by two different functions that have two different data types. Okay, we're back in. Oh, damn it. Up to date, okay. Get pool. npm log. I mean pm2 logs. Says. I think I'm back online, right? Should be. Dang it, X-Men Lift. Every time I read the stuff you're doing, I wish I could help. But that is big brain. That is the big brain. The big dick, big brain problems. You know what I'm saying? Also, if a function returns a boolean, wouldn't it be more readable to put that function as the expression itself instead assigning a bool first? But then I'd still need to check if that variable bool is used for other things later in the code. Because otherwise it'd cause issues. More readable, put that function as expression itself instead assigning a bool first. Oh, okay. Oh, I get it. Yeah, that might make it a little more readable, I guess, but like I don't know if you want to be doing like specific things specific to what this function returns. I think it would be like easier if you just like do something that handles every single type of function like a generic kind of thing. That's like, because like if you assign it, if you like do the second way where you create a boolean variable outside, then like that works with other types of functions that aren't booleans. So to me that's like nice, because like if it was an integer or something, Or maybe it returns another function. What if it returns a function? What the hell? Functions that return functions are like, they keep me up at night. Started listening. Ensure that the well-known directory exists. Huh. It's supposed to make sure it exists, but ain't doing anything. The heck? Why does it get status doing stuff like that? Most of my program is static. I admit I haven't used that yet, but that's kind of cool. Most of my program is static. Right? I wouldn't even know how to... I rarely even write in JavaScript. Is like where that situation happens the most, I think, where you're returning a function. But like every time I have to do something like that because like a library expects me to do that for to use their API, I'm just like, I don't know what the hell am I doing. A lot of JavaScript code is just like, I do stuff just because I'm told to do it that way, and I have no idea why they're doing it that way. But that's what the API says to do, and I'm just like, I'll just do it this way. Okay, I'll do it that way. Also, the runtime of the decompiler is surprisingly decent compared to how much memory allocation and bad time complexity in some parts of the decompiler. Nice, man. You know what? I love wins like that when it shouldn't be efficient. Or when it shouldn't be fast, but it is. That's how you know you wrote the best code. C++. Maybe I should do Unreal Engine to learn a little bit of C++. PM2 start ecosystem. Okay, we started a server. Let's try this. That's not working. Undefined. I should have made a folder. Sure, the well-known challenge exists. Yep. Did that fail? Static well-known. CD static. CD well-known. I don't see a well-known folder. Let me see something. wanna logger.info challenge path. See if we can do something like that. Change detected. Rest server. Static path. Bro, what did I watch? Testing ID comply only takes wow. 0.020 milliseconds. Look how long way till it's gonna lag. I guess that's right. Maybe the next time you write decompiler, you'll understand how to make it more efficient. But it doesn't really matter if it's already that fast. Dude, hold up. Let me get to that video your YouTube video in a second, Ghost. Give me 1 second. I'm in shambles right now. Trying to understand why stupid Node code isn't working. Trying to remember why I don't like Node. Programming it in Node. Static path. When did I even use a static path like that? Let me see. Challenge path. Am I printing out the static path? Oh, I am printing it out over there. And then there should be like a challenge path over here somewhere. Oh, you know what I'm not doing? Oh my gosh. I forgot. Because I'm using TypeScript, I have to convert the TypeScript to JavaScript. Dude. Why do I have to go through the work of transpiling? Oh my gosh, dude. This is why JavaScript was a mistake. Why do I have to transpile TypeScript code into JavaScript? Okay. Did that fix it? Static path. Production. Challenge path. Here we go. Okay. Alright. Let me see if it updated. We have a challenge path. Okay. So I have to look into... It didn't make the file folder. Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay, hold up. Make directory. Well known. I might have to make the folder myself. Because of the way... Oh my gosh, dude. I was doing file like manipulation stuff in TypeScript and it doesn't even work because like when you transpile TypeScript code into JavaScript, the JavaScript output is in like a different build folder. And so it was doing all the file stuff in that build folder, but that build folder is just generated code. Like, I don't need to do anything in there. So, basically, any file system stuff in TypeScript is a waste of time. I just gotta do the file system stuff in the terminal. Oh my goodness. Acme challenge. Let's do, okay, let's make a folder called test.txt. Let's just write a few lines of stuffs in it. Okay, and then let me see if it's in here. Huh, I don't see the file in here. Should be hosted. Oh no, I gotta move it into the, move this into the Acme challenge folder. Okay. Then if I refresh, it should be here. Why is it not here? I'm not really getting that, but I think I guess it doesn't matter. Let me see if I can generate the certificate now. Let me see if I can generate the certificate. Come on. Give me the money. Do force renewal. Okay. Damn it, it failed still. Did it at least generate the challenge for me? It did not. Oh my goodness. I hate this so much. How much time am I gonna spend trying to renew my SSL certificates? I am not having a good time. Okay, let me see what this video is about. Let's check that video out, Ghost. Oh damn, that's a little loud. Sorry about that. That was loud. Dude, what? What is it? What is this? Why does he have, that's a funeral. He's revving the engine. He looks like he's crying. Dude, I couldn't tell you at Ghost. I could not tell you what you just watched. I wish I could. Make it more efficient, because when it has all those regions, I can set on a lot more code at once so that it gets easier to see which step stays the longest. That is true. That is true. Okay, what do I do now? Since this isn't working. Let me see. Try this again. Kind of surprised how well it's going, but it's a humbling experience because I started learning how many algorithms I'm not good at using. That's cool. So glad you're having a fun time learning algorithms and not like wasting your time figuring out why the stupid web server isn't serving the certificate files in the right spot. Because this is so dumb. ChatGPT is obviously not helping. This is like I'm like in the mood where like the guy is like, they're like, what is that? Let me see. Let me look it up. Crime scene. LARP. Here it is.
We were in the middle of our tournament when my friend John said he found a body in the bushes over there. I ran over there because I'm a healing monk to try and help, but obviously my magic wasn't strong enough because the dude's body was missing a head. So my friend decided to try and use a necromancer spell, which didn't work, which I knew it wouldn't. And apparently we contaminated the crime scene because that spell uses a lot of glitter.
Oh man. Oh man, dude. Story of my life. I'm the guy. I'm the guy upset. I'm the crimey. I wonder why I don't see any files in here. Let me see. Oh, I think I know why. I think I'm starting to understand. This CD static. Oh. So if I make a directory or make a file in here, let me see. Test. Echo something and send it to test.txt. So now there should be like, oh, that didn't work. Huh. That's not it either. The Crimer, the Crimey, nice. That's two of them. Add them to the dictionary in VS Code. So they're not underlined in red. Okay, never mind. I do not get. There's a wave folder in here. Locally, there's a different... Oh, wait a second. I'm looking at the wrong... Wait a minute. Okay, never mind. What? CD static. Yeah. This static. And there's a wave and a test.txt file in here. Okay. But neither of those files are showing up. Not secure. I think it's because Envoy's blocking HTTP connections. Or maybe DigitalOcean is blocking. Can DigitalOcean block HTTP connections? Configure firewalls. Okay. Is it because I need to allow HTTP connections on DigitalOcean? have to allow HTTP on DigitalOcean. Maybe that's the reason. Okay. Let me go DigitalOcean. Droplets. To use HTTP, you have to open port 80. Okay, let me go find port 80. Networking. Virtual private network firewalls. Simulshift.com. It looks like I'm allowing all port 80 is open. Maybe it's my Envoy setup. Gotta check Envoy. Okay. Could Envoy be redirecting HTTP or blocking? Could Envoy be blocking HTTP? Envoy is a reverse proxy for the web server, so basically the same thing as HTMX. It does appear that Envoy is not configured to listen on port 80, which is the default port for HTTP target. Let's Encrypt validation server. The Let's Encrypt expects to find Acme challenge response served over HTTP on port 80, unless you're using DNS validation. In your configuration, there's a listener configured for port 8080 and another for port 443, but none for port 80. To allow the Acme challenge to be served over HTTP, you will need to add an additional listener Envoy that listens on port 80. I see. Maybe I should just do DNS validation instead. Would it be easier to just do DNS validation? Okay, I'm gonna try a new approach then. I'm gonna try DNS validation. Let's try doing that. Hey Luki, how's it going? Did she announce her new album? Damn, so that means she must have broken up with somebody again. Alright, I'm gonna try to use DNS validation instead. Let's see. Are you hyped about the new album? Preferred challenge, DNS. What's the second D for? What is means? What is wildcard? What does wildcard domain mean? refers to the SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt. When you request a certificate, you specify domains. If you're only using securing a single domain or specific subdomains, you can specify. Oh, I see. Okay, I think I'm gonna need the wildcard. Simulshift.com and then simulshift.com. No match is found. Son of a. Error message is saying is due to the ZSH is a and the ZSH is a wildcard character. Escape the asterisk. Oh damn. Okay. There we go. You have existing certificates that contains a portion of the domains you requested. Do you want to expand and replace the existing certificate with the new certificate? Expand. Please deploy a DNS text record of the name Acme with the following value. Okay. Let's just make a DNS text record so I don't have to host random stuff. Okay, a DNS record. How the hell do I make a DNS record? It's been days. It's been days and days. Okay. So I'm guessing networking, domains. Okay. Let's create a record. Host name. It says under the name Acme Challenge simulshift.com. Okay. We'll direct to. I think this is my static IP. Shoot, let me double check. Make sure I set it to my static IP so I don't get random ass issues later on. Droplets. Bot server, reserved IP, got it. Okay. And then ETL with the following value. I need to give it a value. Okay, let's just create the record. Name's not allowed to have an underscore. Oh crap. Record, got it. Okay. Let's try this again. All right. Do not remove, replace, or undo the previous challenge task yet. Note that you might be asked to create multiple distinct text records with the same name. This is permitted by DNS standards. Before continuing, verified text record has been deployed. Depending on the DNS provider, may take some time. Few seconds to multiple minutes. You can check if it has finished deploying with the aid of online tools such as the Google Admin Toolbox. Okay. Google Admin Toolbox. Not found. So I gotta wait for this DNS stuff to propagate. Alright, well that does stuff. I'm just gonna play some games. I'm just gonna play Star Rail while that's getting figured out. Alright, where was I? Uh-oh, it failed. I gotta edit this. Edit record. Let's do this. Okay. Save. I gotta spend my gems. Do this. And then this is cool. All right, time for the boss dude. Boss dude. Using all the ultimates. Bam. You guys getting wrecked. This guy is getting wrecked. This kid. Use my skill. 40% chance. Is that 2% life? Oh, there we go. I didn't even need the extra hit. I did, Ghost. Dude, I'll watch it again. Hold up. But like, I didn't understand anything what was happening. Oh wait, the music's gonna be kind of loud when it starts playing. Let me lower the volumes. But the funeral and something's going on. It's a funeral. The dude's crying. Dude, what? I still have no idea. So maybe he's like, maybe because like like it was his bike or something, and he's revving his bike as like a sign of his to like do something. Dude, it doesn't make any sense. I can't explain this shit. I'm sorry, brother. My brother. Maybe it means something to him. Okay? I don't know. All right, where was I? That was wrong. That was right. Right guess, right guess. Let's see. How about now? How about this one? Okay, wrong guess, wrong guess. Wrong sword. What the heck? All wrong guesses? Let me do this. Game's hard. Okay, let's try this one. That wasn't it. Okay, let me do this. Oh, damn. Let's heal up. Let's just heal up. Why not? Do our thing. Alright, why even go for the swords? Why not just go for the dude? Maybe that's the play. I think that's the play. Go for the face. Oh, yeah. That's big damage. Big damage right there. Did I lose the music? Alright, we got music back. Ugh. Don't die on me. Oh, nice. Bam. Ult. Still no record found. Takes a while to propagate. Should have been instant. Smack him. Bam. Bam. He's down. Oh, he's back. What an asshole. Bring his swords back. None of those were wins. Now his swords are like stronger. Still going for the face, I say. How about this? Yes, that was it. Okay. Go again. Maybe we should heal. Let me do that. Oh shit. She got freaking deleted. Okay. I was not expecting that, but she got revived. So maybe we can still win. Oh damn, the swords are back. Well, I don't have time to go after the swords. You just gotta end your life. Oh, that was the wrong move, I think. Oh, that's fine. We healed up. Oh shit. Let's heal back up. Bam. Oh shit. Big guns. Oh, down. He is down for the count. That's cool. Success. We gotta do another one. That's a little... crit rate and effect res. Rutilant Arena. I wonder which ones I actually need. Unlocked. First time clearance. I haven't even cleared this for the first time. What is this? Where's defense and crit rate? Ultimate and follow-up attack damage increases by 15%. Celestial Differentiator. That sucks. How about... oh, I haven't done this for the first time either. Break effect and regeneration rate. Space Sealing Station, Fleet of the Ageless. I might just do this one, but I don't even know which ones I need. Let me check. Insert Salcedo. This is not bad. These are not bad pieces. Energy regen and quantum damage. This is pretty bad. HP defense, HP defense. Shoosh. Increase Warrior's break effect by 16%. It's HP. Has break effect. And a bunch of speed. It's crazy. This could be better. This could have break effect. I wonder... Talia, King of Bantry? Let me see. What was it? Talia, Kingdom of Bounty Tree. This one. This one's also HP. Attack or damage effect hit rate. Huh. I guess that one's fine then. I just really need break effect, I guess. What do I need? This one, and it's inert Salsado. They're all that. Fleet of the Ageless. Sprightly. What do I need for... I guess she wants Pan Galactic Commercial Enterprise. And she wants ice damage on the sphere. And energy regeneration on the rope. Oh, that's really good. This already has regen and effect hit rate. And break effect. Damn. Let's equip that right now. And I just need one with the ice damage. Okay, we can do another simulation for this. Let's find one. Let's find one with the ice damage. Pan Cosmic Commercial Enterprise. Let's see. Is it this one? Oh yeah, this one. It also gives this one. Ooh, that one's bad. It's just not useful. I don't like doing this one. This one is a lot more useful. A lot of my units can use that. I might just do this one. Which one? Let me see. MC build Star Rail. This one's kind of bad too then. Okay, you know what? I'll just do the other one. Oops, it was number 5. Okay, let's do it. Recommended types: wind, imaginary, physical. Alright. Let's knock this out real quick. Let's get a curio. Oh, this is gonna be rough. I'm just gonna auto battle most of this. Okay. Let's get back to this then. Need to wait for this DNS domain to resolve. It's gonna take a second, huh? So might as well do Might as well just put it on hold for now then. Okay, let's go back to what I was doing beforehand, which is working out this stuff with the cards. What was I working out? Okay, we're gonna start Unity, I guess. Oh, I got started Unity over here. Okay, let's continue. Oh, looks like my session expired. Okay. Let me start a new game. Unity crash on me? Okay. Let's close Unity up and then open it back up. No issues here. Okay. This is not the type of error you'd want. Warning LNK 4020. A type record in is corrupted. Some symbols and types not be accessible from the debugger. Oh man. Whew. That's rough. Looks like the cards are getting that same error again over here. I set up a breakpoint, I believe. Think so. Let's go find it. Player deck right here. Let's I gotta restart everything with the debugger attached. So now I made a server because it generates the text based on tokens. It's not really a tree, but good enough. Good enough. Good enough. That's what I would probably naively do if it was me. Let's restart this. We got the debugger connected this time. We're good to go. Because faster development times equals happier development times. Oh yeah. Okay, what's in here? We got 6 cards in here. We're gonna draw 5. Okay. Alright, it's all good. It's all well and good. Let me actually put a breakpoint in there. What happened? Card's null. Sounds like it's getting called twice for some reason. Wooden sword. Pretty sure it's getting called twice somewhere. Card ID 14. Okay. Let me see what's going on. Sent request, receive response from server. Draw cards, result, success. Also has some error handling. Alright. Making sure it's valid. For example, if you try to assign a value that doesn't exist. Try to assign a value like in a dictionary. Oh, the value itself is null. Error handling is good. So confused by this. Because like, it says an error, card's not found, but it found it in the beginning. Oh, this time I'm player 1. Okay. Player 1. Where's my hand? 1402, 1403. These are my cards. And then in the code, I do discard them at some point. And then refresh the card positions. Okay. Am I calling this twice somewhere? Maybe? No. That can't be. Gameplay client. So the listener is gonna debug get responses from the server. Okay. That sounds right. I'm like so confused. What? Let's do it the first time and then it iterated again. Okay, actually, let me just confirm that. I have to confirm that. Let me go here. Go here. Put a breakpoint right here. And then let's restart everything. Yes. All right, this is good. Nothing yet. Oh, I can see a call stack here. I forgot. Okay. Seems like it got called again. Oh, wait, did it get called for the other player too? Is that what's happening? Player deck. Oh, that might be what's happening. If I go into the game manager, player 2, or this time, in this case, I'm player 1. Oh, player 2. They have a player and a player deck script. That's what's going on. They're both listening. They're both subscribing. Ooh. I might just remove the deck from player 2 then. Player 2 can't have a deck. So I guess when I make player 2, I can remove the deck from them. Let me see how easy that is. Stuff for not opponent. Okay. Else. Remove the deck. Oh, stuff for opponent player. Let's do remove the deck. What's it called? Player deck. Remove the player deck from the opponent. Move the player deck component from the opponent. That might do it. Let me see. Battletoads equals goat. Battletoads is goat. I'm still calling GameStop to ask if they have them in stock. They just get mad at me. I don't know why. Battletoads rules. It just doesn't make any sense. Well, that didn't do anything? What the hell? It did remove the deck. But it still tried it. Initial. Still tried to. Oh, damn it. Okay, well. Let's try something else here. Instead of doing that, we'll just go to the player deck and then only subscribe to this if only subscribe if you are the current player. So if .player ID equals that, then we can subscribe. Okay, I mean that's a way to do it also, I guess. I don't like doing it that way because I've noticed I'm writing a lot of code that's like a determined by whether you're the player 1 or player 2, which is like, I feel like there's better ways to code this up. I didn't even realize this was an issue until just now, so I have to think about it a little bit. All right, let's try this out. This should fix everything. When are you gonna rock the emo mamba cut? Dude, the emo mamba cut? What's the emo mamba cut? I know the emo cuts, like when they have your hair's black, dye my hair black and then straighten it or something. Oh damn. Now what? Null reference exception. I got a null reference exception. Game object not set to an instance of an object. Oh snap. What's that? It's not a thing yet because it's on awake. Why is this on awake? I'm gonna change this to start. Now we got raise conditions. Damn. They didn't go in bright long hairdo. I was thinking more of a. What's that guy's name? How about this dude? He looks pretty good. What was his name again? Ah, hell nah. No? Okay. We'll avoid it. No reference exception. Still? Now what? I wasn't having these issues before. Trade deck RPC? Where is this being called? Over here? So this needs to be hit first. Player deck before it gets to here. What's even null? Alright, let me put a breakpoint here. Great deck. Okay, that's fine. Deck client looking good. Great deck. Now it's looking good. Oh, it's the player. Player's null. That explains why none of this is working. Okay. So, player's null. How the hell is that happening? Oh. Oh, man. Okay. That's why. That was like quick fix. That was a bad quick fix. No, the player stuff isn't made until way later. So I shouldn't be calling any of this. These shouldn't be called. Well, you know what? It should have ran through these whole functions. It's weird that the player hasn't initialized yet. This just hasn't ran. So maybe if I just write code like set player if null. I'll just do something like that. That'll fix it. Let me see if I can. Let me check if the DNS thing finished. No, sun's finished? Oh my gosh, it's gonna wait till tomorrow then. Oh, wait a second, this is the wrong host name, I think. Holy crap. That explains a lot. Wait, I can't read these values. Damn you, DigitalOcean. I literally can't read it. Okay, let me see. Oh my god. Let's just delete these. Try again. What in the world is going on? Okay. It's adding .simulshift.com. Okay, let me try something then. There we go. Okay, I think that's what I want now. Okay. That was fast. I think we're in business with the certificate. Oh my god. Oh, whoop. Incorrect. Oh. Okay. That's weird. Let's try again. How long until Battletoads affiliate link? Duh, bro. That sounds cool. What is that? Is that a real thing? Finally. Okay. Apparently, I have a certificate now. That was harder than it had to be. Let me even see if it's working. Not secure. Why is it not secure? Okay, maybe I gotta redeploy Envoy. Okay, let me find out. ETC, it's at ETC. Let's encrypt live backend simulshift. Simulshift.com. And there should be another one. Hmm. Full chain certificate. Certificate chain and private key. Dang, I just need another terminal open. BD Live Simulshit.com. Okay. So this includes subdomains like... Sorry, I'm asking ChatGPT something. Includes subdomains like backend.simulshit.com. Because I got the SSL certificate authenticated or renewed. I just... Yes, by successfully obtaining a certificate for simulshit.com and simulshit, you have covered not only the root domain, but also all subdomains under simulshit.com, including backend.simulshit.com. So I just use this singular certificate. Okay, I get it. In that case, I have to update Envoy. Let me update Envoy on the back end. Okay. Updated Envoy certificate. So I gotta restart Envoy. Okay, how do I restart Envoy? Later, Simul fans need to pretend to read and dream about Baltos. See you later, Ghost. Thanks for coming to the stream. Sorry, I'm deep right now in trying to get this to work. I am deep. Thanks for coming by, though. I appreciate you coming by. Look forward to the next stream, where I'll be less deep, that's for sure. But I think I'm getting close to getting my stupid website HTTPS working. Pretty close. Full chain. Trying full chain. Got to. How do I restart Envoy? I think I do. Restarting Envoy. It's gonna be like Docker compose. How do I delete all containers and restart Envoy with Docker compose? What was my Docker compose file looking like? Volumes? Okay, let's try that. Docker compose down. Whoa. Docker compose up. Envoy prod. Envoy prod. Andy. I wonder if I should. I have to rebuild the image. Let me see. Oh wait, no, that worked. No way. Oh shit, I can't believe that worked. I still don't see any files though. Why don't I see any files? I have no idea what this is. Node file hosting. Sucks balls. For real. Okay, so this is because from the perspective, when this gets built, that's why I see. I've done figured it out. Okay. Well, that explains that. I'm tired. I'm over that, though. Oh, wait. The chatbot's back online. What the heck? That's crazy. Nice. That bot is online. Easy money. All right, all right. Okay, the chatbot's working, so that's cool. See if I can figure out issues with the drawing the cards in the game now. Then we can wrap it up. Hey. Okay, that fixed everything. Apparently. Oh my gosh, it's all coming together. End my turn. Other players playing. Oops. Something went wrong. It's asking me to draw those cards. Okay, let me check the game. Ask me to draw 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 7. And 1, 4, 5, 8. Alright, I gotta update the editor script to be a little bit better. We need that. We need it. We need this for. There we go. And then for a discard pile, there. Discarded cards. Discard pile. Deck. And same thing. Card ID. Card template ID. Alright. Oh, I think Uni crashed. Get that tax manager open back up. Probably the issue has to be the draw cards RPC call. Seems a little suspect to me. Ain't gonna lie. A lot of stuff happening. I'm just gonna let me just end my turn. Whoa, it's asking me to draw these 3 cards. Let me see what's happening. right. So this time on player 2, it's asking me to draw 1474, but it's already in my hand. So if it's already in my hand, it shouldn't ask me to draw cards that are in my hand already. One 1474, 1475. Yeah. Okay. So I have to figure out what the database is mad about here. It might be just that the database doesn't have, thinks it's still on my deck, so it might not have been updated in the beginning. So I go to my deck, then in my deck. Damn, there's a lot bunch of stuff in here. Okay. I think I see what's going on. The deck needs to get cleaned up, but it's not. Basically, all this needs to get deleted. Same with the hand and the discard pile and the player stuff too. So the server, the backend should be getting closed game requests. If I close that, Close game stream requests. Yeah. Okay. And it should be able to handle that, so let's see how it's handling it currently. Delete all cards. Oh. That can't be empty. Here's a game ID and player ID. Hmm. Should I clean up the player? So I'm wondering what's going on. Because it shouldn't, but it should actually throw an error. But I was actually going into here. Gameplay stream request received. Close gameplay stream request. And it should have gone into here. Just no errors. Return nil. Do we want to exit the loop actually? don't even think we want to. We exited the loop, so oh, okay. That makes sense. Let me go into... Is this new? I guess so. Let me restart this. Turn this off. No player. No hand. No deck. And no discard pile. Okay. Then let me just... go to my game manager, and then when I close the game stream, do something like something like that. Okay. As regards rebuilding the game, so we'll rebuild and then play. Alright. Build succeeded. Alright, now my turn. Oh. Enjoy database. Okay. Separated by player ID, right? So basically what happened is I can't show the cards because I don't have the cards. Dang, these songs are hitting hard. Okay, so that just means that it's not removing the cards from my deck when I draw. So that means my hand is empty. Well, it's not really empty, I guess. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see. So when I draw cards, it needs to remove it from the deck. So draw cards request. Whoops. Deck service, draw cards, okay. I'm not dropping the cards from the deck. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna figure this out later then. I'm rolling the stream now. How about we rate somebody? Thank you guys for coming to the stream. Much appreciated. We're working out a quick summary. We're working out drawing cards through the server. The database isn't removing the cards after I draw them from my hand table. I got a table that represents my hand or my deck. So it's gotta remove cards from my deck after I draw them. But how about we raid somebody? Thank you guys for coming to the stream. This particular stream I didn't talk too much just because I was so freaking deep. I was focused. Usually I talk more. And usually I like to watch more videos with the audience. Okay, I'm gonna raid
Honey, did we pull the
PI time. Alright, thanks for coming. Don't forget to follow if you're not following. Alright. We'll see you guys later. This is Simul Sift.